Hey y'all, well, I think it's time for another episode of What Do You Do All Day? So today I'm taking the day off. I've been busy with people visiting, Songkran, getting back into language class. Just had a lot going on for the month of April, and I have another long weekend trip planned up to around Bangkok, outside of Bangkok this weekend. So today I'm just going to take a break. I think I'm going to hop on the bike and see where I end up. Want to go? Let's check it out. It's a fun intersection. It's a just work it out intersection. Seems like it's always something, isn't it? I had planned to run GoPro. Hold on. I had planned to run the GoPro while I was riding around, but the peg I brought isn't long enough for the mount, so it comes loose very quickly, and I don't want to lose it or have it fall off while I'm running at highway speeds. But I'm in Bang Saray right now, and I'm just going to drive Beach Road. I think that'll be slow enough it'll stay on. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, y'all, there's a picture to be made there, so stopping. This spot is looking really good. So not only am I gonna try and make a couple pictures here, and if I get them edited and they turn out, maybe you'll be seeing them right now, but this spot's also drone worthy, and I've got it with me, so let's fly. All right. That's gonna be a picture right there. Look at that view. Nice and clear now. Hazard lights instead of a right turn signal. This is Thailand.
Big whale shark monument there. I'll have to do some research and see if they come through this area. Might have to strap on some scuba gear. Haven't done that in many years.
Look at all of the colors. The water, the sky is awesome today. But all the different colors of these boats. All right, y'all, made it back to Jomtien, popped into 7-Eleven, got me an ice cream. Now I think it's time to head to the pool and enjoy the rest of my easy day. See you in the next one.